Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittney and I am on a weight loss journey. So I'm actually going to be showing you a really delicious breakfast idea that I've been wanting to make for a really long time. And I'm just going to kind of whip it together and we'll see how it turns out. I do have a recipe or two I've been looking at and probably going to follow. But anyways, always to start out, of course, I'm going to have coffee. So if you are new here, you probably don't know this, but this is my favorite creamer. If you've been around for a while, you know this is my favorite creamer. I was introduced to it by my friend. You guys should really go follow her. Oh, I usually like to put my sugar in first so that the creamer will like mix it around like that. And then I just put some creamer in till it's the color I like. And usually it's about 3 tablespoons. Okay, like that. And then I always put whipped cream on top, and Indy will probably come running in here. Indy! I get the non-sugar-free stuff so she can have some. And I just put a little bit of caramel syrup on it. You can find, like, I find it in the Oreo aisle or whatever, like the cookies aisle. They have like a little sundae aisle, if that makes sense. But that is where I find this, and it's the sugar-free one. Alright, you guys, so here is what you'll need to make the French toast that I'm going to make. So just whatever kind of bread you like. I like this bread. It's my favorite bread. If you've been around for a while, you know that. It's super good. I find it at like Walmart, my local grocery store. They have a couple other choices of it too. So this is really good. You'll need some sort of cereal. I chose Rice Krispies. The following, she used Rice Krispies, but I would prefer like Frosted Flakes or Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But either way, it's super good. Or I'm assuming it'll probably be super good. Some vanilla extract, an egg or 2, some milk. I'm only making 2 slices of French toast because Jason doesn't want any. So I'm just going to do 1 egg. 2 or 3 tablespoons of whatever kind of milk you like. Almond milk, whatever milk works. Splenda. And then just some cinnamon. Or you could use cinnamon sugar, but this is 0 points. This will be 3 points. And then I'll add it all up and I'll show you guys what it will be. And I'm going to show you guys how I make it. You guys, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I just used my milk and I did 3 tablespoons in here. I cracked an egg in here, and then I'm just going to use like a capful of vanilla. I don't know, I've always done it like this. Or you could just do like a teaspoon. I'm sure that was probably like a teaspoon. Little cinnamon sugar in it. Now, I've read a few recipes where people say that you'd only want to dip the bread for a little bit, otherwise it might be too hard to cook through. But then I also read a few where people said to soak it or soak it overnight. So it's kind of your preference. I do like mine really crunchy, however. Now that that's all mixed, I'm going to add my cereal. I'm going to start out with 1/4 of a cup. And then I might add, I calculated it for 1/2 of a cup, but we'll see. So I'm going to crunch it up. So I'm going to put it in the bowl like that. Because I actually wanted to use real butter to kind of like fry it. So it's only 2 points for 1/2 of a tablespoon, and I know it'll just taste really good. But you could always use like this is normally what I use when I'm cooking, just Pam spray, which I probably will use a little bit of that too, but I just really wanted some real butter. So anyways, just crunch this up, and then I'm gonna see if I can get 1/4 of a cup out of it. Okay, you guys, and then in a pan, I'm just gonna put 1/2 of a tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna put it on a low heat. I'm just gonna let it melt a little bit, and then once it's melted, I'm also gonna spray a little bit of Pam spray in the pan. And then once this is melted, I'm going to dip my bread in the mixtures. Okay, you guys, the moment of truth. Let's try them. I did put a little bit more on top. Ooh, it's crunchy. I don't know if you could hear it. Let's see if you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's crunchy. I'm putting a little bit of the sprinkles and stuff. I'm just gonna put it all over it. Mmm. It's really, really good. Holy crap. This syrup is really good. 1 teaspoon is only 1 point. And what I did, can't remember if I filmed it, but I just put a tablespoon in here and then I microwaved it for 30 seconds there. And it's delicious. This brunch that I just made is only 9 points. But keep in mind, 2 of the points is from butter. So if you could eliminate the butter, it is only 7 points. So you could add more or less syrup. You could do no syrup. You could literally do this. So many options. Super good, you guys. Highly recommend this. I've just been craving French toast really bad. So this is good, and I like my French toast really crispy. So I feel like the Rice Krispies really help with that. I think next time, grocery store, I'm gonna pick up Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This time I'm gonna do more cereal so that it's really coated, but delicious. Highly recommend.